Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are giving you an update on the construction of the Pinnacle development. Now this is a mega development in Jamaica. It's going to be, they're building the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Each tower is going to be 28 floors high, and each one will be amongst the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development and the impact it's going to have on Jamaica. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, officially broke ground for the Pinnacle. Being spearheaded by LCH Developments, the project entails the construction of 4 28-story apartment blocks in the Reading area of the second city over the next 4 years. The private Pinnacle community will sit on its own peninsula and have over 500 apartments overlooking the city's marine reserve. It will entail villas, sports, leisure and shopping facilities, restaurants and private residence club. Mr. Holness said that the project brings a new level of real estate development to the island. I want to congratulate the principals of LCH Developments. It is a visionary project. It is a project that shows quite a bit of bravery, and I know that there are many looking on and saying this is substantial, he noted. You are not only breaking ground today, but you are also doing something that is groundbreaking in Jamaica, he said, adding that the development will cement Jamaica's brand in the lifestyle segment of the hospitality market. It will add a new dimension to our tourism, and I am very happy for that, because our tourism product, which has carried us for the last 50 years, must diversify, the Prime Minister said further. In bringing greetings, Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett noted that the project will serve as a response to the call by millennials for developments that incorporate environmental, social, and governance considerations. We are excited about this. We are excited about that because this is creating a new opportunity for that new demographic to embrace Jamaica. The advent of this product also opens a new door in terms of city tourism. Montego Bay has been known to be a resort town. We are taking it now to another dimension, Mr. Bartlett pointed out. For his part, Chief Executive Officer of LCH Developments, Yang Sing Lee, said that the project marks the start of a brand new chapter, not just for Jamaica but for the Caribbean. He pledged that the environment will be protected, assuring that the development will not harm the landscape. We are committed to balancing development with preservation in terms of nature. Our project isn't just about construction. It's a promise to honor and preserve the natural beauty that brought us here in the first place, he noted. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. And I must say, the Marine Reserve in Montego Bay is amazing. That is the sea, the Caribbean Sea. What we're looking at in front there now, where you see the water and that's the Marine Reserve. I can just imagine what the view from a 28-story building is going to look like. This definitely is the right spot to build such a development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.